and we think we're all ready to fly them together. This is definitely a first. Well, today we've been having a lot of fun at our airfield. I've got some of my best friends in the hobby that traveled all over the country to be here, and we've been flying just all kinds of stuff non-stop, but we wanted to share a small piece of today with you guys, and that is our F15 flight. So joining us today, we have Dan out of Wisconsin, we've got Mike out of New York, Niagara Falls area, Stacy Abshire, you guys know him, and these guys that have YouTube channels will be linked in the description box below, so send them some love. Here we have Gary with I Just Got Here and David Chenzoff in the description box, all just great friends. Well, as you can see, we've got 5 F15 Eagles. That's because they're amazing jets. We've had quite a few maidens on them today, and we think we're all ready to fly them together. This is definitely a first for our channel. It's a first for us. Crashes are very likely to happen, so no matter what, you're going to want to watch this. Abby's on the camera, we're all powered on, shaking at the knees, so let's do this. Go, Gary, lead the way. I just pair up with. Nice. I just did a roll under someone.
Where are you, mate?
I'm in the pack, right in the middle of the pack. Well, I don't want to land. This is too cool. We need to start landing. touching down, yeah? Okay, we got one coming in. I'm probably ahead of Dan.
Oh gosh. Got a little scared.
Okay, jumping in. Oh, my battery. There we go.
Nate, oh my gosh.
Yeah, that was me. I thought my battery died, but no, I looked at everyone else. Who's in the air with me? Nice. Let's land, Michael. I think I went behind the trees. I like went in the trees and came out. That was amazing. Nope. See? You know what? I hear. What an awesome jet. I think in our imaginations, all of us wanted to fly like the Blue Angels all together with the smoke and just perfect formation. Obviously that didn't happen, but we all came back in one piece and we're all happy, I think. And with earlier attempts that didn't happen, I crashed. Gary crashed his. We've had a few parts fall off. I snapped the nose clean off of mine. But here they are with a little hot glue back in the air and just having a blast with them. If you've never flown a jet before, but you have some airplane experience, this should be your first jet. It flies so good with safe and AS3X stabilization. This cold air is killing me. So I'm gonna wrap this video up. If you'd like to support our channel, we'll have this linked in the description box below. If for any reason you decided to pick one of these up, we'll have these linked in the description box below. If you want to support our channel, pick one up through our link. We'll also have the best recommended battery for you and my favorite transmitter that I think we were all flying on today. Guys, thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video. All right, one is up.
Oh, you might need to reset that one.
I'll reset the other one while you guys are flying. Here we go. It's okay. I'll get you. All right, I'm going to go reset the other one. I'm on the field.
Oh, it's not going to bail.
All right, taking off. And that's full throttle. And I'm stuck in a hole. Hey, I'm stuck in a hole. Okay, I'm sorry, I think I'm good. Yeah.
Here's the fourth one.
Nice.
What about the fifth one?
That was me.
No one knows who's flying the fourth one.
Oh,
the fifth
man.
one's still on the ground. Whose plate is that?
Number 4, that's scary.
Gary! Watch out! Oh my god.
So let's take off, full throttle. Full elevator. Go, go. Come on, baby. There, we're up. Oh, no!
That one's already down!
Wow! Get him going, guys!
Oh no, one's down! Oh my gosh, epic fail!
Hey, we can stop. Let's stop. Okay.
Is there bloopers for this video?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, Nate!
What happened, Nate?
I got in the air and then it rolled over and exploded.